What's good, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome back to another reaction video. It's your boy Corey, back for another reaction video for y'all tonight, man. Let's get it, man. And tonight, we got we got Ghostluvme and Future. You know what I'm saying? Iris Green. That's what this drink called, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this is my first time reacting to goddamn Ghostluvme. My fault. Hey, look, listen, bro. Iris Green, okay, all right. Because I be getting the name wrong sometimes and all that, bro. My bad. I just be tripping. I just be tripping. Nickel. Let's get it, though, y'all. Let's get it. Boy, I'm hyped up, boy. We'll see how he is, how he, you know what I'm saying, how his flow like and all that, you heard me? You don't do no shit over here.
I'm getting bands, yeah, just press from the bank, they looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. I'm in a Benz, yeah, street lights in my neck, it's looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. What are my hands? I live my life so you don't fuck with me. Yeah, I can't stay clean, eyes are red and iris green. Found me in my teens, now I get it like I'm Sheen a little.
Oh, he sound like Nav. Y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. But I'm rocking with his flow so far, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how niggas be slipping off, you know what I'm saying? Be sounding, you know what I'm saying, with trash and you know what I'm saying, and further the farther the video, but we go so far rock with it, but like we gonna wait to the end, cause you know niggas be, you know what I'm saying, sounding some shit at the end now. No cap, that shit be, you know what I'm saying? They get the, I don't know, they losing their, you know what I'm saying, losing their shit and goddamn, I don't know, no cuz, I run that back.
Yeah, I can't stay clean, eyes are red and iris green. Found me in my teens, now I get it like I'm Sheen a little number. I want a number.
Out of the mud, I'm on mud, I turn mud into diamonds. I got tattoos, got goals, got demons with these shillers. Put it together, some richer than ice. Taking the
Future said, I turn melanin into diamonds. I turn melanin into diamonds. God dang, boy. That boy Future a legend, man. Stop playing with him, bruh. Google booga boy. Go ahead, Future. Keep doing what you doing there, bruh. You feel me? Then run that back.
I got tattoos, got goals, got demons with these shillers. Put it together, some richer than ice. Taking the stage and mixing the cold. I'm better with potential, lifting it up. So better than my ex, so like I hit it first. I got a bad bitch in pussy, she don't treat me like I'm average. I'm her king, she love me more than her real daddy. Bitch kiss my ring, one thing's for sure, she never go against my carrots. My shorty know I got bitches, do whatever to make me happy.
Pussy P for real, shorty. You know what I'm saying? Like, stop playing with him, though, cuz. He said, my bitch, no, I got a bitch in that baby. This nigga with this shit. Hey, no, for real, this nigga. This nigga's a freaking legend, bro. He gotta get him flowers.
My ring, one thing's for sure, she never go against my carrots. My shorty know I got bitches, do whatever to make me happy. I get in my feelings about it, damn, I'm so possessive. I'm a boss, you don't cross, get these racks forever.
I'm getting bands, yeah, just press from the bank, they looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. I'm in a Benz, yeah, street lights in my neck, it's looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. What are my hands? I live my life so you don't fuck with me, yeah.
Hey, this shit hard for real, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, I gotta get this. Yeah, this joint like that for real, bro. You feel me? Like, they gotta drop a video or something, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the video out, but like, damn, bro. I had to like see what this. I had to see what bro like for real, and he ain't disappoint me one bit. You know what I'm saying? She get the shit.
What are my hands? I live my life so you don't fuck with me. Yeah, I can't stay clean. Eyes are red and iris green. Found me in my teens, now I get it like I'm Sheen a little number. I want a number. I might want a number. Hit that pussy 5 rounds, put it in a slumber. Get these bands from offers. Up on the speakers like knockers.
Hey, bro got talent. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I know what talent is, nigga. I know when the rapper is trash and goddamn, and he some music for real, bro. I want to hear that shit for real, bro. I only got time, man. That's why I would just react. That's what this channel for, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because when I say these rappers, you know what I'm saying, trash and all that, bro, I don't fuck with the music and all that, bro. Niggas be in their feelings. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, man, some rappers, like, when I react to them and all that, man, you know what I'm saying? The next song be hard. The first song they be dropping and all that, bro, be trash. And then I don't know, man. I want to hear that shit for, bro. You ain't gonna get nowhere with that trash ass music y'all be dropping. I ain't even lying, but this shit, yeah, he's something serious for, but I ain't gonna lie, man. Let me run that back, y'all.
Hit that pussy 5 times, put it in a slumber. Gently spins on offers, up in the speakers like knockers. Off of the ceiling, I'm off for. No, I can't change if I want more. No, I can't change if I want more. Up in the pussy, she on fours. Hop on my Benz, yeah, it's all horse. Hop on my Benz, yeah, it's all horse. Push with the pedal with Air Force. Pedal the metal, it's all torn. I just be popping, I want more.
Hey, nah, for real, no cap though, bro. I seen he be doing a song with Lil Uzi and all that, bro. Damn, bro, this, man, see what I'm talking about, bro. I love YouTube, bro. He be sending me like, you know what I'm saying, on a little timeline, you know what I'm saying, all these new rappers I ain't never heard before, and I boom, check it out, and then see what shit, and support them and all that, bro. You feel me? That's what it's trying for. I support niggas. Not no clout chasing, none of that for real, bro. We don't do none of that for real, bro. We don't condone goddamn clout chasing. You know what I'm saying? Real recognize real. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all better stop playing with me talking about I be clout chasing and all that. Man, get out of here with all that. I ain't like you.
I just be popping, I want more. Pop the lid of the script and I pop 4. I can't have a bitch, I'm better alone. I'm getting this money, can't pick up the phone. They love me too much cause the money all gone. I'm getting bands, yeah, the first person I think they looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. I'm in a Benz, yeah, 3 lights in my neck, it's looking clean. I don't take Visine, eyes are red and iris green. One of my hands, I live my life so you don't fuck with me. Yeah, I can't stay clean, eyes are red and iris green. But me and my teens, now I get it like I'm seeing a little number.
I might want a number.
This a big feature right here, man. I ain't even lying, man. Feature, shoot, that's crazy, man. He got a feature on this thing, man. This big right here, man. This big. Take off, bro. Go up, man. Keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna be here to support you for it, bro. You feel me? Be safe. Be safe out here. You know what I'm saying? Stay in the studio. As a rapper, bro, you should not be in the streets. I'm telling you, all these rappers, listen. Stay out of the streets. Ain't in the streets. You can't get rich in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas need to start hop in the studio. Not hop in the studio. But stay in the studio. You feel me? Like, I'm just trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to look up for y'all rappers, man. Y'all rappers be moving dumb out here for real, but I ain't even lying. You know what I'm saying? But Ghostluvme. Hey, no, that's the name is though, bro. Don't do that, man. No, that's the name is though, cuz. But hey, bro, you keep doing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Catch that next react video. Keep going, man. What that album? I'm waiting for that album though, man. Be consistent too, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all niggas, peace.